By default, displaying and hiding content panels happens as an animation. Suppose I click this, it is happening as an animation. Again, if I click this, it is getting hidden and it happens like an animation. So using the animate option, you can customize the animation effect. Suppose you want to disable the animation, then you just have to set the value of animate to be false. So its value is true by default, and if you set the value of animate to be false, then it will not happen as an animation. Or in other words, animation effect will be disabled. So let's see that. Let me refresh. Let me click here. See, it gets hidden instantly. It is not happening as an animation. Again, it is getting displayed instantly. So you can set the value of animate to be false if you want to disable animation. You can set the value of animate to be a number so that it will be considered as the duration of animation. Suppose I specify 5000 as the value of animate. The animation will get completed in 5 seconds because this value is in milliseconds. So refresh. Let me click this. See, it is happening slowly because it should be completed in 5 seconds. Again, if I click this, see, it is getting hidden in 5 seconds. So you can set the value of animate to be a number as well. Again, you can set the value of animate to be an easing. We have already seen you can set different values for easing, and now I am setting the value as ease out bounds. Here, if you go to api.jQueryUI.com/easings, you will be able to find the different values you can set as the easing value. So here I have specified the value as ease out bounds, and now let's see the difference. Let me save, refresh. Let me click this. See, it is having a bounce effect because we have set the value of animate to be ease out bounds. Now suppose you want to set the duration as well as easing for your animation effect. In that case, you can set the value of animate as an object and you need to specify duration. You can set the value, say 4000, and you also have to set easing and let it be ease out bounds itself. And let's see, refresh. Let me click this. See, it is happening slowly and with the ease out bounds easing effect. So the animate option is used to customize the animation effect. By default, in case of an accordion, the hiding and showing of the content panels happens as an animation. So using the animate option, you can customize the animation and you can set 4 types of values for the animate option. Let me type it for you. First one is a Boolean value. It can be false. If you set the value of animate to be false, the animation will be disabled. Then you can set the value as a number. It will be the duration in which the animation will get completed. Then you can set the value as a string. It should be the name of the easing. Then finally, you can set the value as an object in which you need to specify duration, which should be a number, and also easing, which should be an allowed easing as per the jQueryUI's easing options. So these are the 4 types of values you can set for animate to customize the animation effect happens during the hiding and displaying of panels in an accordion. So in this lecture, we have seen the animate option and 4 types of values you can set for the animate option.